how you can join a Discord server without the invite link. Now, before I start, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. Now, let us start. First, just open up your Discord. Now, after you open your Discord, just slide it and you will see a plus icon on your server side. Tap on the plus icon. Now right here you will need to know the name of the Discord server, and if you do, just tap on join a server, and right here under the link section you will have to type the link, that is https, these two columns, and give two slashes and just type in Discord, and after you type in Discord just do .gg and give a slash again. Now every time you join a server you will have to have this much part, that's pretty much same all the time, and after you do just search for the server. Now here let us just type cheese, and if you just do this and tap on join with the invite link, here you will see you will find a server and you will be able to join it, as you can see right here. Now let's try with another one. Here we go, join a server, https this and this, and discord.gg. now again slash, and let us type in Power Rangers, and let's just type it in again. Okay, so that link has been expired, but I guess you guys know how it's done now. So that is pretty much it. That is how you join a Discord server without the invite link. Thank you for watching, guys. That is all for the video, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.